How to get paid to read email. Wow, another tricks. Today I bring to you another make money tricks. Do you know you can make up to $500 daily by reading just email? Take a look at the PayPal earning that other people have been receiving from their online activities. You can make literally the same or more than this with my method. After watching this video till the end, you may think of the requirements. This is totally free to get started. All you need is just a mobile phone or a computer with an internet access to get started. As you will see how I start right now. So, keep watching. Welcome to our channel. We post videos every week about how you can make money online. Working from home, breaking free from your 9-to-5 jobs and living your dream lifestyle. Before we continue, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time we post new video like this. Alright, let's see how you can make up to $500 daily by reading just email. Go to Google, and search vindaleyresearch.com. This is a platform, where you sign up to take survey and get paid for it. But don't get me wrong. You're not going to take any survey or something like that. Today, I want to show you how you can use this platform to read email and get paid for it also. And how you can cash out. Just scroll down to the down button of your screen on this website. Click on Get Paid to Read Email. Sign up and fill in your necessary information required here. Note: make sure you fill in correct information about yourself. You may get rejected because this website will proceed to conform your information with your email address sent to them. Make sure you check all these boxes to come from the website policies. Click on Agree and Continue. Step 2. How to set up a payment method and start earning immediately. This section refers to the process of receiving payment from your online activities. The major payment method conducted by this platform is via PayPal account, and not a lot of people know how to create a successful business PayPal account that works. But if you don't know how to set up a successful business PayPal account, don't worry. Just click the link in the description below and watch this video. A lot of people will lie to you that this platform is worldwide. I have to tell you the truth. It's not worldwide. They can only accept people from USA, UK, Canada and other American countries. But you can check out the links in the description to watch this videos. You can work with this ones from any part of the world. Now you have seen how to make cool money at the comfort of your home without stressing yourself. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? If you did, please click the like button and leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time we post videos like this. Check out the links in the description to learn our #1 recommended ways to make more money online. We love you.